Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are starting a new series and it is called Roll for Granny Square. So I've got my awesome little dice tower here and I've got a 20-sided dice. I've got 20 different yarns, which I'll show you later. And we're going to roll for a different granny square each week, and then I'll make it up and show you how it looks. And then what we'll do is we'll figure out something to do with all these granny squares at the end. So sit back and join me while we roll for granny squares. And we'll start that in just a moment. Okay everyone, so these are the colors we have picked for our Roll for Granny Square series. What do you think of those? They're all different brands, but they're all the same weight. They're 4-ply, medium weight, or worsted weight yarn. And those are the ones we're using. We are going to roll our 20-sided dice. We're going to roll it 6 times to get our newest granny square. This is a new series that we're doing, and I'm going to do this every week. So let's start with that first roll. We got a 9. Let's do our next one. 13. Our next one, we've got, so see there's a dot on that one. I don't know if you can see it very well. It is a 6. There's our next one, another 13. Okay. This one is a 3. And last roll, we've got a 15. Okay, so that's our 6 rolls and that's our first granny square. So I'll be back in just a minute and I'll show you the process. Okay everyone, so here's the numbers. We've got 9, 13, 6, and then 13 again, 3, and 15. So now let's make our granny square. And this, my friends, is the end result. So check the description. I'll have a link to the tutorial to how to make one of these colorful granny squares. Not necessarily with these colors, but how to do color changes and things for this kind of basic granny square. Also check my description to find links on how to hide those pesky threads, because that's the next thing I have to do. And I'll also attach some links on how you can attach your squares together and different things like that. So be sure to check the description. There's all kinds of interesting things in there. Thanks so much for watching and tune in next time for another roll for granny squares. Thanks. Bye now.